Hi, this is Joanna Shovago from CCDC. Welcome to the Cambridge Science Festival. Today, you're gonna learn more about snow and how to make your own. Let's get started. Snow is made of crystals that contain one oxygen and two hydrogen atoms. It is basically the solid form of water. In solid form, this molecule contains 70 polymorphs. The polymorphic phenomenon is known to exist in solid state materials, where a molecule like water can pack in different orientation. That's why you will see sometimes the snowflakes being like a star, or sometimes they are just needles and they have different shapes. The different shape of the snowflakes come from different temperature and humidity. On ski resorts, to maintain snow across the winter season, artificial snow is used, which converts water from the mountain reservoirs into the snow using devices like this, which you will see on ski slots. This artificial snow contains purely the H2O molecules. Today I'm going to show you how to get a bit of snow flavor without being able to go to a ski resort. We'll make some artificial snow and watch it grow using sodium polyacrylate. To make your own snow, you can use sodium polyacrylate, and in Cambridge you can get this toolkit in the Science Museum, or you can also get something similar on Amazon. And I will recommend using a pair of gloves. Let's see what's inside the toolkit. There are some instructions how to make your own snow. There are the sodium polyacrylate that you need to grow your snow from. And there is also a spoon that you could use. You will need a glass of water for it, and you are ready to start. You can pour your materials into the spoon. I will not fulfill the spoon as the snow is gonna grow. You could also use a surface, but make sure you thoroughly clean it afterwards. And now you could just add the water. I will use another spoon to just pour it so the water doesn't go anywhere. So we'll slowly pour the water on top of the polyacrylate. And look at that, how quickly the water gets absorbed. And we can put some more as it just keeps absorbing and absorbing. So yes, these are the first steps of making your own snow. You could touch it to see what the feeling is. You'll see that it's a bit chilly, and it also have quite jelly nice sensation. You can see there is still more dust powder here. This is very nice and soft, and you could touch it and you could see it has a bit of chili and gel filling. Now you are ready to go skiing, or you could use a little sledge. Woo! What happened? In this experiment, we add water to sodium polyacrylate to make a substance that looks like snow. Sodium polyacrylate is a polymer that can absorb more than 100 times its mass in water. And its ability to absorb water means you can find it in nappies as well as in flake snows. Sodium polyacrylate is made of two parts, sodium and polyacrylate. Polyacrylate is a polymer, and polymers are made from joining lots of small molecules together, a bit like a smaller version of a chain of rubber bands that you may make a brass set into. In this experiment, our polymer chain is made up of chemical called acrylate acids joined together in a chain. In the dry powder, the positive charged sodium ions are tight bound with these polyacrylate polymer chains. When water is added to the polyacrylate chains, prefer to bind with the hydrogen atom in the water instead of allowing sodium to move around. And the polymer chain can start to unravel.
Usually, at this point, the mixture forms a gel and starts to stack up water, which is why it can be found in nappies. However, in our flake snow, we can use a different form of sodium polyacrylate that has more links between the chains. And this time, as we add water, the powder swells up still, but instead of making a gel, it forms tighter Dyer's flakes, and they will look more like snow. If you have any questions, please send them to hello@ccdc.com.sc.uk. I hope you enjoy making your own snow. See you on the ski slots. Don't forget your ski goggles.